Could more police billions of dollars in crime programs and tracking guns curb violence? Well, President Biden believes so. It is now asking Congress for $20 billion to address that violent crime, and it was detailed in his budget today. 11 Alive's Hope Ford spoke with White House officials and members here, of course, in the community to talk about the impact of that budget.
Well, Ron Biden's plan calls for money for more police, increasing FBI and U.S. Marshals, and violence intervention programs. But a key thread in a lot of the plan were ways to address gun violence. A community advocate I talked to says the focus should also be on the people. President Biden hoping billions of dollars funneled into local and federal law enforcement can help curb rising violence. His new budget plan breaking down how to solve gun crimes, such as putting millions into the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms.
To be able to investigate dealers to make sure that they are following the law, to reduce the number of guns that are being diverted into illegal markets.
The budget also calling for increased police funding to track guns found at crime scenes.
We need to make sure we understand, has that gun been used at other crime scenes, or where was that gun purchased?
Chief Rodney Bryant says more than 90% of homicides in Atlanta were with guns. But community advocates think the focus should evolve beyond the weapon.
The amount of guns on the street won't matter if the community itself is healed.
Marty Monaghan, executive director of Black Man Lab, goes into the community trying to let people know what resources are available. Monaghan says without access to mental health, job, food, and education resources, cycles of violence will only continue.
There's somebody pulling the trigger of a gun. Guns are a byproduct.
Monaghan says it can't be either or. Curbing gun violence means there must be an and. Getting guns off the streets and helping the community.
The ultimate issue is we got to have resources in the community. Put that money, that same money in the community, and watch what happens.
I guess we have to just wait and see. So, Hope, what else would the president's budget accomplish here?
Well, it would also call for increased funding for the Centers for Disease Control to track gun violence. Now, 2020 data from the CDC shows DeKalb and Fulton counties are in the top 15 large counties in the country with the highest rates of gun deaths.
All right. Hope Ford in the studio with us tonight. Thank you.